Today I'm discussing about additive manufacturing a solar through for cooking. As you can see in this picture, this project details work done in the UNC Department of Engineering Technology using MATLAB Pro and a V-Flash 3D printer from 3D Systems and built parabolic through for a solar cooker. The goal was to see how well the V-Flash did producing a curved surface on a part that it compressed most of the available build volume and maybe even cook a hot dog as a secondary benefit. Step 1: Equipment and materials. As you can see in this video, you will need to see the following tools: a 3D printer, 3D system V-Flash in this case, a CAD package capable for creating parabolic curves, meat thermometer, infrared thermometer, flush cut pliers, pipe cutter, sun, a sheet of mirror board, a high temperature black paint, hot pipe from insulation, sandpaper, one hot dog. Step 2: A little math. As you can see in this picture, the nice thing about a parabola is that we will focus the light coming from the distant source down to a single focal point. Following the nice derivation for the local point provided on Wikipedia, I used MATLAB to play with the available build. Step 3: The CAD work. As you can see in this video, given the equation of the parabola derived from the MATLAB, and I used to Pro Wildfire to create a through with parabolic inner surface. Slots matching the parabolic curve were also designed into the ends and central spot in order to form the mirror board to the appropriate shape. Note that these screenshots do not include some cosmetic features that we are added later. Once the geometry was set, these files exported as an STL. Step 4: Setting up the build. As you can see in this picture, the STL file exported from Pro was uploaded to the software controlling builds on the V-Flash. Position and orientation on the build platform were set through was centered on the build platform with the light rotation 3 degrees about the long axis as recommended by the manufacturer to prevent. As you can see in this picture, step 5: Extracting the through and removing spots. As you can see in this picture, step 5, 6: Finishing. After removing the support structure, the apertures of the models were descended to open up the window for easier access of the mirror board and heating tube. Enhances the most definitely not correcting for the sizing holes. Step 7: Assembling the cooker. As you